Welcome to the 12th episode of Getting Started with Mount-A Web Services. This video will walk you through changing lab or tutorial sections without dropping the associated course. Connect will not let you drop a lab section without also dropping the associated course. To work around this, you can both drop the lab and register in your preferred lab section at the same time. Log into your Connect at MTA account and select Connect for Students. Click Register for Classes under the Registration heading. Select Search and Register for Classes. Fill out the term, subject, and course level fields to find the various lab or tutorial sections associated with the course. Then click Submit at the bottom of the page. On the section selection results page, click the checkbox beside the lab or tutorial section you wish to be registered in and select Submit. This will take you to the Register and Drop Classes page. Under your preferred sections list, click the drop-down menu beside the desired lab section you wish to add to your schedule and select Register. Under Current Registrations, select the lab section you would like to drop by clicking on the checkbox next to the section listing. Double-check that you have selected the right section to drop, as dropping the wrong course cannot always be fixed. Click Submit. Go back to Connect for Students. Now, you should check your schedule in My Class Schedule to be sure the lab or tutorial was changed correctly. If you made an error, contact the Registration Help Desk immediately at reghelp@mta.ca or by phone at 866-890-6367. Congratulations! You should now be able to change labs or tutorials without dropping the course.